Hi friends, let's talk about the femoral triangle. What is femoral triangle? So it is a triangular depression that you can see in the upper anterior part of the thigh just below the inguinal ligament. Next question to you. From where to where can you spot the inguinal ligament? That is from the anterior superior iliac spine to the pubic tubercle. Alright. Now coming back to the femoral triangle, you are expected to know the boundaries and the contents of femoral triangle. Very quickly about the boundaries. What forms the roof of femoral triangle? Skin, superficial fascia, deep fascia. And what forms the floor of femoral triangle? That you will put in the comment section. There are muscles that form the floor of the femoral triangle. Now, what forms the medial boundary of femoral triangle? The medial boundary, it is by the medial border of the adductor longus. What forms the lateral boundary of the femoral triangle? It is by the medial border of the sartorius muscle. Sartorius muscle is also called as what muscle, guys? Okay. Now about the contents of femoral triangle. It has got femoral artery, femoral vein and femoral nerve along with other nerves. But these are the important contents. Femoral artery, femoral nerve, femoral vein. Now remember, we have got something called as femoral sheath because these vessels, they are very important. The structures in the femoral triangle, they are very important. So God gave us what? A covering around it. In the femoral triangle, you can see a sheath around the femoral vessels. Remember, the femoral nerve is not inside the femoral sheath. Femoral nerve, it is little angry and it is lateral to the femoral sheath. Femoral sheath encloses the femoral vessels. It has got a femoral artery name, femoral vein name, femoral sheath covering under to protect them. But then it is main to the femoral nerve. So femoral nerve is not being enclosed by the femoral sheath. Remember that. It is your NEET PG question. So that is it, and write down the muscles that form the floor of the femoral triangle. Bye.